Nanggalam ka United Democratic Party UDP ubadiru umintri ka sarkar jala Lahkmen Rymbui ula ong baka skhim MLA kam day satia ka pisa shimet jong MLA Henry ka day nakabenta ka jimantoy jing constituency ha ka jala ula ong ru baki MLA kile ya ka babahatam hapo ki kinduan balakdaw ban panbad ha ka bayaday barki jinan kam hapo ki than ki jongki Kani ka jingkran jong u kalong ru hadin ka jingkhot daw president ka VPP uba Arden Basaiman ban pelong ya ka jingto oket balai luan hakabaya day baka jingpan ture kam ya ka skim MLA hapo ka jala uba Lahkmen ulakin tu ya ka sarkar jala pakan perkhat ban kintiu no ya ka mang tingka ka ba arpoint san klur tingka na ka benta ban penture kam ya ka skim MLA habaro ki hendrip hoteli ki constituency ha ka jala Lade ban kintiu no ngidon shibun kijinon kam nakabentai ki pai ba ong uba Lahkmen habakren shakila ptai kubor hak arpesan trik naiwing. Ulak doru ya ki jingpen slam na marka jingpen kan riak kam ya ki engineer marka jingpen slam ya ki jing a jingken Henry ulay ro ya ka jingpen ban ka badang shen ba ki deputy commissioner menta ki la ban pendan kam ya ki no ki executive engineer jong ka district ban pensted ya ki jingmen jor. Kajing turekam ke basyai ke day ke bakongsan banjur uba Lahkmen haba benrap baki MLA ki ale kat bala banyarap wat hapdeng ki babun ki jing e ba ya kendo. U pentip ru baha ke constituency ke jong u ki project jong usnam arja arpulai arja arpsang kidang ya syakman hakaba ki don ru kat tu kat ni ki bala pendam. Kumta haladi lada pi ong kumta idon kam omtang arpuen san klur tingka Henry idon kam khambun khanang ban la ban penbiang ki jun kam jung ki pai ba Henry ka day ban don ka jing ture kam ka basai namar kam day ka pisa shimet jong unu u MLA ka day ka pisa na ka plating ka jong ka sarkar na ka benta ka jimanto jung ki pai ba ba ki constituency ula benram
MLA scheme is not the personal money of any MLA. So it is for the goods of the public. So all the MLA are doing, are distributing, are implementing the scheme in their respective constituency. So, in fact, if you say if we need the MLA scheme should have been increased, not only 2.5 crore, they should have been increased because we have to meet so many needs of the people. So MLA scheme is for people and the MLA also they are implementing to the best of their ability. It depends upon the different area what they are doing, but that is depend on the MLA concern. If the scheme which he is submitting, which is implementing, is within the guideline of the scheme for implementing of the MLA scheme. So I don't have to comment any. I didn't have any comment on that because it is not like you go and buy. Like me, if the personally, there are some schemes which since 2023-24, many have been completed, some are in the process of implementation. And the same like that, sometimes due to late submission of estimate, sometimes there are occasions where the estimate which have to be approved by the executive engineer DRDA due to a frequent transfer of engineers. In many districts, there are different EE executive engineer come at different point of time. But I'm very happy now that recently, because due to delay in this thing, they have taken the government have taken a decision that the deputy commissioner is at liberty to whenever there is any vacant in the post of the EE of in the DRDA, he can utilize the service of any executive engineer in the district so that it could streamline the implementation of MLA scheme. So it is like that. But personally, if you tell that we not only need 2.5 crore, we need more to meet the needs of poor, but accountability should be there, because it's not the personal money of any MLA. It is the money from the government exchequer for the benefit of the people, for the benefit of his constituent. I'm not saying that he can give to all his constituent, but he will try to meet something as much as possible within the limit of that scheme.